Hello and welcome to another video. In this video, we'll be covering the topic of simple functions. So if you don't know anything about functions, don't worry, we'll be covering this entire topic of simple functions. So it is advised that you should watch the video to the end to get a good understanding of the concept. Just to let you know that in this series of functions, we'll be covering simple function in this video and inverse functions and composite functions in the upcoming video. So please stay tuned. Now, starting with simple function. The function is f of x equals to 2x plus 2. So basically we read this term as f of x, that is function of x. This f stands for function and whatever variable written in the function is written inside over here. So basically we read it as f of x or function of x. So in the previous series in which we covered algebraic expressions and equation, so you can term this as algebraic expression as well, or you can term it as function of x. Both terms are correct. So now what does that mean? Basically this function of x is just an expression over here that you can see. Okay, and if I just ask you to give me the value of f of 2, f of 2 means that in place of x you need to substitute the value of 2. So it relates to algebraic substitution, and if you don't know anything about algebraic substitution, you can just see at the top right there is an eye icon that is given over there. You can just click on that eye icon and that eye icon will redirect you to my previous video of algebraic substitution that you can watch to get a good understanding of algebraic substitution, because there in that video I explained the entire concept of algebraic substitution from scratch. So now f of 2 means that you need to substitute the value of 2 in this expression. So it will be something like this, 2, and in place of x we will be just putting 2 inside and then we are writing just plus 2. So it will be 2 bracket 2 plus 2. And now we just need to solve it. 2 times 2 is 4 plus 2 and the final answer is 4 plus 2 is 6. So basically this function of x, that is 2x plus 2, when you input the value. So now moving on to another function. The function is 3x minus 4. Similarly, if I ask you that you need to find f of 4, which means that you just need to plug in the value of 4 in place of x. So it will be 3 bracket 4 minus 4. And if we just solve it, 3 times 4 is 12 minus 4. And the answer is 8. So these are basic and simple functions. In the next video, we'll be covering the concept of composite function, where you will be required to substitute one function into another function. I hope the concept of simple function is clarified. Still, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below, and do watch my next video in this series to get a good and better understanding of the concept. Thank you.